In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually add a contact to Apollo.io using the single contact import option. To get started, log into your Apollo account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click People. This is where Apollo keeps your contact records, so it's the right place to add an individual person manually. In the top right corner, click Import. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Single Contact. This opens a smaller contact entry window where you can create the record directly. Enter the contact details you have available, starting with information like their first name, last name, and primary email address. You can also add their job title, company information, company name, stage, and any other relevant fields shown in the window. The more complete these details are, the easier it will be to organize, search for, and use the contact later in Apollo. Quick side note: for more practical Apollo tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. Take a moment to browse through the available fields and fill in the details that are relevant to this contact. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the contact window and click Save Contact. Apollo will then create the new contact record and add it to your people list. And that's it. You've successfully manually added a contact to Apollo.io.